The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning for Ingham County, Michigan. Effective until 6:32 p.m., the National Weather Service in Grand Rapids has issued a tornado warning for northern Ingham County in south-central Michigan until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located just north of Eton Rapids, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Mason and Edgemont Park around 5:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the path of this tornadic thunderstorm include Lansing, East Lansing, and Williamston. Precautionary/preparedness actions. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.